Before we dive in, I want to encourage you all to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up to show your support. Now, let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and have been manually importing data into Google Sheets, you know how time-consuming it can be. Copying and pasting data from different platforms into Sheets is a task we all dread. But what if there was a tool that could change all of that? Well, guess what? I've found one, and it's called Apipheny. Apipheny is this incredible Google Sheets add-on that lets you automatically connect Google Sheets to a vast array of APIs. Whether you're a consultant, marketer, or part of a marketing agency, importing data from external sources directly into your Sheets will be a breeze. This tool is a game changer because it eliminates the need for coding. You simply enter your API URL, add your parameters and headers, and Apipheny takes care of the rest. It's user-friendly and accessible to anyone, regardless of technical expertise. And here's the best part. You can schedule your API requests to update as frequently as you like. Whether it's every hour, daily, weekly, or monthly, your data will always be fresh and up to date. So if you want to create custom data connections in Google Sheets quickly and effortlessly, Apipheny is the way to go. It will save you a considerable amount of time and significantly reduce the possibility of manual errors. Don't just take my word for it. Check it out for yourself. There's a lifetime deal right now, and with a 60-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. The process is straightforward. Redeem your code within 60 days of purchase, and you're good to go. Ready to make your data management in Google Sheets a whole lot easier? Click the link in the description below to learn more about Apipheny and get the special lifetime deal. Don't miss out. Get access to Apipheny today and transform the way you work with data. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe for more reviews and tips. Keep those thumbs up coming, and I'll see you in the next one. Note: my image capabilities do not provide me with the functionality to verify current deals or offers. The information provided in this pitch is based on the provided image and should not be considered up-to-date or currently available offers.